Okay, so now on to part B, which is this time saying write an expression for the surface area of the cuboid in its simplest form. So it's just really knowing what is surface area again. Surface area, sorry, is the area of every single face. So the top face, I'm actually going to go and draw dashed lines over here so we can see what goes on a bit more clearly. We've got this, we've got this. It's the area of every single face added together. So I've got this face, this face. Okay, you've then got the two faces on the end. We're doing green. So the front face, you've got the back face, and then of course you've got the two other last faces, which are over here, the front face and then the back face. Now that's looking really messy already, so I'm actually just going to scrap all of this and we're just going to look at one at a time. Okay, so let's do that. Let's begin by finding the area of this top face over here. Okay, this one over here. Now be a little bit careful here. The dimensions of this top face, you've got 2x plus 1. This side here and this side have the same length, and this side here has got a length of x minus 3. So to find the area of that rectangle, we do this length, 2x plus 1, so 2x plus 1, and we multiply it by this length, which is x minus 3. Okay, x minus 3. And there's two of these faces on the top and on the bottom. Okay, so we've got to times this by 2. Let's again begin by expanding the first two brackets here, and then we'll simplify it from there. So 2x times by x, I'm going to write this like this, so it's going to be, right, that's going to be equal to 2 lots of all of this. So 2x times by x, which gives you 2x squared, 2x times by minus 3, which is minus 6x, plus 1 times by x, which gives you plus x, and then we've got plus 1 times by minus 3, which gives you minus 3 over here. And of course here, minus 6x plus 1x goes to minus 5x, so that's going to go to minus 5x. There we go, good. Now we've got two lots of them, so I distribute this 2 to all of the terms in the bracket, so you just double everything, which is going to go to 4x squared minus 10x, and then minus 6 on the end. That's the area of the top and the bottom face. We've now also got, ooh, where's my pen gone? There it is. We've now also got this front face, okay, and which is also at the back over here. But we'll just do 1 and times it by 2. So this one has got a length of x minus 3 and a height of x. So to get the area of it, we times them. Okay, we're going to go and do x minus 3 and times it by x. And like before, there's 2 of them. So it's going to be 2 lots of everything here. Okay, now because multiplication is commutative, we can just write this as this. They mean the same thing. So 2x times by x will give you 2x squared, and 2x times by minus 3 will give you minus 6x. So that's the surface area of the front face and the back face over here. We've got one more, or two more faces really that are the same, which we'll go and do in, we'll do it in, I don't want to confuse you with the colours here. Let's do it in red. So we'll go for the front face, which is also at the back as well. Okay, we'll just do one of them. This one has got a length of 2x plus 1, and it's got a height of x. Okay, so we're doing, again, we've got 2 lots of x, timesing this by, that's the height of it, 2x plus 1. Okay, 2x times by 2x is going to give you 4x squared. 2x times by plus 1 will give you plus 2x. Okay, so we've now got the surface areas of all of the 6 faces. Now the total surface area, okay, we've just got to go and collect up the like terms. So really now, what I'm going to go and do is take this part, add it to this part, add it to this part, and then simplify where possible. So let's go and do that. So the total surface area is going to be 4x squared minus 10x minus 6, and we're now adding on to this 2x squared minus 6x, and we're adding on to this 4x squared plus 2x. Now, if we look at the like terms here, there should be some, hopefully. We've got plus 4x squared plus 2x squared and a plus 4x squared over here. And we've also got a minus 10x. We've got a minus 6x, and that looks like it for like terms. So overall, we've got 4x squared plus 2x squared plus 4x squared will give you 10x squared. We've then got minus 10x minus 6x, which is minus 16x. That's good. Oh, sorry. That was silly. I missed out a term over here. Sorry, my fault. We've got the 2x's. So we've got minus 10x minus 6x is minus 16x plus 2x is minus 14x. So we've got minus 14x. And then we've got the minus 6 left over. And this is your answer for the total surface area. Okay? And that's it. Hopefully there's no mistakes in it. There won't be. That should be fine. But that's it. So it's really just being able to think, well, how do you get the volume? How do you get the surface area? And that's it. And that is it for the video. Hopefully that was useful. Thank you for watching. Good stuff.